Hello, this is Amber Wood, and welcome to my video. Today we are unboxing the Jeffree Star Winter Mystery Box Supreme. I'm so excited about this, you guys. My husband told me that I could get the premium box. You know, with Christmas around, you don't want to spend a whole bunch of money. But as a Christmas present, he said, hey, go ahead and buy the premium. That was the one with 5 items. 60 bucks. I've ordered it. It's shipped. I haven't gotten it yet. But at the same time, little did I know, while I was on my computer buying the premium box, somebody, this guy, was in the other room buying the Supreme, the Big Daddy. This one has 10 items. It's very heavy. There's a clothing item included. I am so excited, and I opened it today. I'm actually filming this on Christmas Day because this was one of my gifts today. So let's go ahead and get into it and see what's inside. So if you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you're not, thanks for coming back. Let's open the box. Now, I have not looked inside yet. I did cut it. I got it ready for opening, but I haven't opened it yet. So let's take a look. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I love the mystery boxes. I'm just hoping there's some not too many repeats. The problem is, you know, if you're one of Jeffree Star collectors, you end up getting a lot of stuff already that you buy on your own, and then when the mystery box comes around, you get a lot of repeats. Oh my God, what is this? Ooh, this is one of those marble bags. Oh, I loved this. I didn't buy it, but I had my eye on it. Oh, this is so, look how big it is. Very spacious, great for traveling because I'm doing a lot of that these days. When I go to the hospital to deliver my baby next month, I will definitely be putting my makeup in this. Oh my God, I love it. I love it, love it, love it. It looks like some sort of hoodie. It's pink. I am having a girl, so pink will work for me. Ooh, this is so cute. It says Jeffree Star Cosmetics on the arm in like kind of a lime green. And then the other side has kind of like candy stripes almost. I wonder if this is an exclusive item. And then it's got the logo there on the chest. Nothing on the back. It's so cute. It's just like a sweatshirt hoodie. Really cute. Oh, I like that. Oh, I see something that I do already have, but it will get used. The lip bundle. This is the Love Me, Love Me Not. I've gotten a couple of these actually, but I use those red lipsticks a lot, so gorgeous. I love the red lipsticks. Wifey, Red Rum, Unicorn Blood. I use those all the time. It also has Doll Parts, Calabasas, and Watermelon Soda, Anna Nicole, and Prom Night. Those are all kind of pinkies and reds. So this is all pink and red lipsticks. Oh, a little ornament. You can see I've already got my tree over there, and I bought one of the ornament sets to put on my little baby tree. Oh, this one's cute. A little soft pink one. What I love about these ornaments is that it is an actual mirror. On the other side, it's basically like a mini version of his mirror, and it's super cute. Oh, I got the Cremated Palette. I never bought it. This is the one that is, oh, like his grays and neutrals. Let's open her up. Oh, oh, ooh, ah. Now, you know, this is one of those palettes that I didn't necessarily like need it because I have plenty of palettes. I mean, I'm a makeup artist. I do makeup all the time. So of course I have neutral palettes. I have grays. I have silvers. I've got, you know, all the colors that are here. But that's really the only reason I didn't buy it is because I didn't like need it. But wanting it, that's another story. And his formula is always so great. So I am excited to try it. I will be using it, obviously. Lots of great neutral colors. Ooh, shimmers are so pretty. And his formula is so smooth and buttery. I'm excited. The one palette that I haven't gotten yet that I would love to receive in a mystery box is the Blood Sugar. I've never bought it. I've always been kind of interested in it. I wonder if it's in any of the other mystery boxes. Oh, I see a mirror. Let me grab these small items and then we'll save the mirror for last. Looks like we got a lip scrub, which is good because the one I'm using right now, I'm almost out. I just keep it in the shower, and while I'm in there, I just, let's see, this is Blue Raspberry Sucker. Now, if you've never tried his lip scrubs before, they are edible. Mmm. 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 Tasty. There's a lot of pink in this. Ooh, I got translucent powder. Ah. Now, I actually just got one not too long ago. My sister bought me one and I used it today for this makeup look that I'm wearing right now. It's the Magic Star translucent powder, which I love his powder. So I am very excited to see that in here. There's a Skin Frost Peach Goddess. Let's take a look at what this color is. Oh no! Oh. Fail. Jeffree. Well, it looks really pretty. I can try to put it back together, but customer service, expect an email from Miss Amber Wood. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Any TikTok people out there? But look at it's really pretty. It's a really pretty highlighter. Oh, I will use it. I'm going to try and alcohol it and put it back together. These are so big though. Why are they so big? I have one other Skin Frost. Oh, this is a mystery one. This is the one from the Halloween last year. That's the other Skin Frost that I have. But the ones that I really like, I've got his Extreme Frost. I've got one Extreme and then the rest Supreme. I get so confused with these classifications. I don't know. Let me show you what I've got. These are fun little things that you get from Amazon, but I think this is the Extreme. Yeah, so the only Extreme I have is the purple one, Choking on Ice. And then these are all Supreme. I've got Diamond Wet, Caramel Kiss, Hypothermia, love that one. Money Honey, I've used this one a lot. And then Candy Apple Drip. You can tell I'm a fan. I like highlighters. It's whatever. Okay, so this one looks like we've got a gloss. We've got a gloss. The packaging looks a little crumply. This one's been through it. I wonder what color it is. I have a few of the glosses. I don't use a whole lot of glosses just on a daily, but you know, if I'm doing like an Instagram look or something, I throw some on. Let's see, which color did I get? Body Count. Looks like a nude, little nude color. So I have another one. This one's a little bit lighter. Which one do I have? Oh, that writing is so tiny. I'd have to get my glasses. I can't see it. Sorry. I don't know what it says, but the one I got today is a little darker. But when you look at it, it's like, it looks like concealer. You know what I mean? Like, that's not going to look good at all. But it's actually, this is mine. I'm not going to open that one yet. This is the one that I have. But it's actually a really nice, just kind of glossy, you know. Let's just put some on. I mean, we'll just do it. See? I've got androgyny on my lips. Just put that on top. It's not too sticky. You know, he's got a good formula for the gloss. I can't get it back in the box. Okay, so the last thing in here is a mirror. Let me get my little skizzers here. Oh, it says black marble. Oh my goodness. Who's excited? So I'm kind of impressed with this box, with the exception of my Skin Frost being broken. Oh, look how pretty. Ooh, ah. Welcome back to my channel. Oh my God, look how pretty that is. I love it. I love it. So I feel like this box was really nice. Like a lot of pink stuff, a lot of nudes. I got the cremated, you know what I mean? Like it was kind of a neutral, non-crazy mystery box. Sometimes, you know, in these mystery boxes, you'll get some stuff you like, and then you get like one or two things where you're like, I don't know if I'm ever going to wear that, but okay. But I feel like everything I got, like, I'm going to use it. Like, legit. He's got great formulas in his products. The packaging is always lovely. I'm pretty happy with everything that I got. I'm going to try on my sweatshirt now. This is so pretty. I love the marble. Ooh, and it goes with this. I'm totally taking this to the hospital. My nurses and doctors are going to be like, what is this girl doing? How many moms out there went into labor with full makeup on? So, I mean, you just gotta, right? Okay. Let's put on this hoodie. Oh, this is cute. Ugh. Okay. Hello. This is so cute. I look like a big bunny rabbit, though. Oh, this is cute. It even fits me while I'm pregnant. What? 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 This is really cute. So cute. So, whew, I want to thank my husband. Big shout out to my husband for getting me this box. I really appreciate it, and I love you. And Merry Christmas. And you guys, if you like this video, please make sure and give it a like down below. Subscribe to my channel, and have a great day. Bye!